10. And let's look how our forecast made. And you can see we made it from this point. And my was red, your was green. And look, it goes almost exactly. Wow. Just this a little bit, not little bit. But you see, last candlestick also helped us a lot because we had a position which looks like I can say it's like this. So we have this. So all zone lower than 275 was profitable. And you can see that the real profit comes in the last, it's 1 hour chart, in the last 1 hour. So it was here. Some news, there was some news, I'm not sure which exactly, but we had, I think, biggest profit from beginning of our trading. And I think after 5 more trades, we can go to the different sizing. Now we are testing our forecasts with 0.01, and later I think we can make it as real traders like percent risk or margin trade. And also I want to remind that daily options trading is one of the most difficult because commission fees we pay for each trade are really big, and that is why it's very difficult. So for example, trading weekly options or monthly options or quarterly is much easier because their fees you pay if compared to volatility is low, because when volatility is high and fees are low, then it's easier to earn money. When volatility is low and fees are high, then it's really difficult. And look, now we have the best trading day from the beginning. And I really like it.
Yeah, and then they covered all the losses for previous 3 days, right?
Yeah, and now we are again in plus from the starting point. So I hope our forecasting will be the same. We will be also successful in the next trades. So let's do it once again. And also let's discuss the market. It's interesting that volatility is still very low. So options are sold for cheap prices. And I really, it's first time when such a big series without movement in crypto, because crypto usually is considered as one of the most volatile market, and now it looks like it's not volatile at all. And usually when it is low volatility, it's because of some big seller. Why usually it's big volatility? When there is big seller which is selling like this, and some big buyer who is also not letting the price going down, who is buying. Of course, usually it's not like exactly the same level. It can be here, here, here. But why the prices from such volatility goes to this corridor? It's because of big seller and big buyer. And why usually it is strong movement after narrow corridor? Because when money here or here are over, then this is empty market, and it's easy can go here or like this. That is why after narrow corridors there is a strong movement. And I hope that we will see the end of this narrow corridor which we see now very soon. Yes, you can see that this corridor, which was from middle of April to the middle of May. On Saturday, from Friday to Saturday, was broke downside. So it can be that after this we can see faster movement downside.
Why is that corridor? Why not that one?
Because real corridor starts here. Here it was like small step before it started. Because usually corridor is considered when a lot of points are in it. So first point, second point,
I
and
see.
here was third point, and now it went through. But of course, we can try to use like bigger one, for example, like here and here. But it's another scale. Understand here? Okay. Now let's make our forecast for tomorrow. And again, we agree on the downside trend. Yeah. Okay, now I'll remove my zoom drawing. And so what we can do now? So it's like we are forecasting from your forecast. It's about going to 2,100, I think. Yes, 2,120. My looks really not possible from this point because it's fall for more than 5% for tomorrow. But it also gives us opportunity to take really cheap options. So let's check which options will help us if we expect moving of Ethereum to about 2,100. Let's check how much are, for example, puts 2,150. Yes, because it's rather close. And it's interesting thing that Sundays are days which sometimes go very strong, or so they can show strong movement downside or strong movement upside, or they don't go anywhere. So from my point of view, it's better to buy like black swan options that we expect like strong movement. So for example, it can be 2,125 put, for example. Yes, and you can see it costs only 2.8. 2.8, and let's look how much it will cost if it will go to 2,100. 2.8, and it will cost to $22, so it's like 10x, almost 10x, about 8 really. Okay, I think this is good, and let's make a trade, and I think we can also put some take profit if it will be some news on which it can be. So it's really cheap stake because we will lose only $0.28 if we will not be right, and we can make 10x. So I think this is good.
So please double check if everything is okay. Should I submit order, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
position is
we
open.
have the position. Yes.
Now release.
If it will be another day, not Sunday, I think I can offer sell some option, but usually on Sunday it's really not profitable to sell options because if something happens, you can lose a lot, and compared to profit you can get from selling. So today only buying, only black swan. Okay, Alex, thank you for today forecast.
Wait.
And
Should we place take profit?
yes, really, yes. So
Mm-hmm.
if we expect going to 2100, I think we can place take profit. Um, Usually, price is not stopping on
Mm-hmm.
price like 200, 2100 exactly. So it's big probability that it will be like 2095 or 2105. I think we will be optimistic and we can take profit like 30 bucks, 30
Mm-hmm.
bucks for the
I
trade.
agree.
Okay, submit order and our take profit will wait for downside movement.
Mm-hmm. Thanks. Bye.